VeriDesk monitor arm with laptop cradle is the perfect setup for laptop users with an external display. Now it's easy to position your monitor and laptop screens side by side for dual screen use. No more looking up and down when switching screens. And with your laptop and monitor raised to eye level, you'll free up valuable workspace on your VeriDesk. It gives you the freedom to tilt, move, and rotate your display so you can find your optimum viewing position. And with the sturdy base mounted to your VeriDesk, your monitor will stay in place, whether you're sitting or standing. It's designed to work with VESA-compatible monitors. An Apple adapter kit is also included to help you remove the factory stand and mount it in minutes. Turn your laptop and external display into a space-saving, productivity-driving workstation with the VeriDesk monitor arm with laptop cradle. VeriDesk. Work elevated.
Position your monitors in the perfect position for your neck and eyes, while freeing up valuable desk space with Zilker monitor arms by Uplift Desk. Adjust the distance, height, and angle of your screen for the most comfortable and ergonomic positioning. Monitor arms also offer far greater flexibility than standard monitor stands. The Zilker supports monitors from 4.4 pounds to 11 pounds on a gas spring mechanism for smooth travel with over 12 inches of vertical range. The quick-release VESA mounting clip is a quick install and easily clicks into place with tool-free mounting and dismounting. The sturdy clamp mount installs quickly to most desktops, and each unit includes an optional bolt-through mounting kit, so you can place your monitor arm base wherever you want it. Each Zilker monitor arm ships with a pre-installed pin to limit arm rotation to 180 degrees, which prevents your monitor from hitting walls or other objects that may sit behind your desk. You can also remove the pin to achieve a full 360 degrees of monitor arm rotation at your desk. The Zilker monitor arm is available in a dual monitor configuration as well, perfect for productive two-monitor setups. Attach a laptop mount to your monitor arm to give your notebook computer a boost and help you reclaim even more valuable desk space. Easily share your screen if collaborating with coworkers. Both the single and dual monitor arms include built-in cord management to streamline your cables. Match your monitor arm finish to your Uplift desk frame for a coordinated workspace. Give your monitors a much-needed lift with the Zilker single monitor arm and the Zilker dual monitor arm by Uplift Desk. Available now at upliftdesk.com.
The LX family is our most popular assortment of monitor arms, and for good reason. First, modular design. Modularity means value because you don't have to buy an entirely new setup every time you want to change or upgrade technology. It also supports up to 2, 3, even 4 monitors on a single base. Studies have shown that using 2 monitors can increase productivity by 20 to 30%, and by 3 monitors by up to 35%. You're practically losing money not using more screens. At least that's what I tell my boss. Another perk of modular design is the ability to customize. As a taller person, I struggle with finding an ergonomic solution that fits me. But thanks to the Tall Pole kit, I can actually adjust the monitor to be exactly at proper ergonomic height, saving me all kinds of neck and back pain. What I really like about these monitors is how they were made to move. Yes, it's nice that they can do an ergonomic height adjustment or fit underneath a cabinet, but when I'm done working, I want to reclaim my space. This is the beauty of the LX, which folds down within inches of the base and lets me get on with my life. Last, but certainly not least, the value. It's proven performance and a premium design aesthetic without the premium price point. Flexibility, modularity, and value, the 3 hallmarks of the LX family.